Nestled in the mountains of Yonezawa, Japan, this vacation home was designed for a client from Miami seeking an escape unlike anything back home. Surrounded by breathtaking Japanese landscapes, the house embraces the beauty of changing seasons, something far removed from Miami's flat horizon. More than just a retreat, this home was envisioned as a cultural bridge, offering an intimate way to experience Japan's nature, climate, and traditions through architecture. Stepping through the entrance, you're welcomed by a kitchen and dining area inspired by the traditional Japanese doma, an earthen-floored space, blended seamlessly with American shuan culture. This thoughtful fusion reflects the meeting of two worlds, creating a unique atmosphere that feels both familiar and foreign. Here, reclaimed wood, domestic cedar, and reed materials not only add warmth and fragrance, but also ground the design in sustainability and authenticity. At the heart of the home stands a single central pillar, connecting spaces with verandas that extend in a cross-like formation. This design blurs the boundary between indoors and outdoors, inviting nature into daily living. Sliding shoji screens, specially crafted with glass panels, allow for subtle glimpses of the surrounding gardens and mountains. Depending on the season, these views transform, offering fresh greenery, autumn leaves, snowy landscapes, or the gentle bloom of spring. Ultimately, this home is more than architecture. It is an experience. Every detail, from the snow-viewing shoji to the garden-facing verandas, is meant to immerse its occupants in the rhythm of Japan's seasons. By intertwining nostalgia with modern comfort, the design encourages visitors to slow down, breathe deeply, and embrace the fleeting beauty of each moment. It's a reminder that true harmony comes from living in sync with nature.